A brave little caterpillar eating this little pokeweed. So these would be the greens, the new growths on the pokeweed that you could boil and cook, eat. Not really sure what species of caterpillar this is, but I do know when they have hairs like that, it's kind of best practice not to let them touch your skin. I don't know if this is one of the caterpillars with irritating hairs or stinging hairs, but I'll just let him finish his meal. And this here peeking out above the wisteria is another spiny plant. Let's see if we can pick him up. This is the benefit of wearing thorn-resistant gloves. I would not recommend touching half of the plants that I've grabbed today without protection like this. So this is another noxious weed. It is the horsenettle. It's not a true nettle. It's actually in the same family as Nightshade. It's easy to recognize by the flower and the tomato-like berries. Like Nightshade, it's poisonous. It is it's not something that I want growing. So these berries, once they ripen, look like cherry tomatoes, yellow cherry tomatoes, and they are deadly. So I'm gonna pick these off when I can find them. This can be a little bit more stubborn than other weeds, but you can get rid of it through meticulous tending. It is growing in really well inside of this wisteria thicket. So that's one of the interesting things about the habitat that this wisteria tangle's created. It's really thick growth. Underneath all the green, there's that tangled mat of woody stems and debris. So it blocks out a lot of plants from growing, but these weeds, fast-growing plants, stubborn plants, love it. These blue flowers, resembling a pea flower, is another invasive species of plant. It is the Asiatic Dayflower. It tends to grow in areas like this where it's not exposed to direct sunlight. It retains moisture. These are the seed pods for it. It's growing pretty well over here, along with more horsenettle and blackberries and pokeweed. The rose-mallow is also known as the swamp mallow, crimson-eyed mallow, and the dinner plate flower. Let's get on up here. I'll show you. Here are a couple of the closed flower buds. I'm probably done opening for this growing session. They're going to close up and form these seed pods. These are the less mature seed pods, and I interrupted two bugs again. So these flowers can be anywhere from white to a deep crimson. they all have this characteristic darker red eye with billowy large petals. And they open in series, so each stem usually only has 1 or 2 flowers open at a time. Stay open a couple of days and close up. And I showed you the mature seed pods earlier. You saw those seeds just popping right out, ready to spread, be grown. The immature seed pod, oh man, I've interrupted a lot of people in here. I'm sorry, guys. Did not mean to do that. These can be eaten, boiled, steamed. So the swamp mallow, being in the mallow family, like okra, contains a lot of mucilage. It's that slimy, mucusy substance that you get when you're eating okra. There's the unripe seed pod. See the white seeds coming right out of there. It's not only edible, it's got a history in traditional medicine as well. Making a tea from the flower heads, or just applying the plant topically as a poultice or salve to treat skin irritations. There's another caterpillar. Very, very hairy. Not touching barehanded. Clear this off. There's another vining plant growing in here. These leaves belong to the Maypop. It is our native passionflower species. And believe it or not, it prefers areas like this, clearings, tangles, where it can grow. Let's see if I can't find the rest of it. It's hard to pick stuff out when everything's green and viney and trying to trip you. And here we go. I don't see any blooms on it, but maybe I'll catch it next year. There's another native vining species we've got. It's the Muscadine. It produces edible berries as well. Box turtles love to eat them. People too. It's one of the wines that are locally made in Georgia. It's a specialty.